When it comes to free CAD software, FreeCAD 1.0 and Fusion 360 are two of the most popular options, but they take very different approaches. FreeCAD 1.0 has been around for over 20 years, and you can feel that history in how it's built. It's completely free and open source, which is a huge plus if you don't want to deal with licenses or subscriptions. Everything runs locally, so you own your data and don't have to depend on cloud servers. It's modular, meaning you get different workbenches like Part Design, Tech Draw, FEM, and Path. They're powerful, but they feel more like separate tools than one smooth system, so it can take some effort to really master. The community around FreeCAD is active and supportive, and people are constantly improving it, which makes it a great option if you like tinkering and value independence. Fusion 360, on the other hand, is Autodesk's polished, cloud-based solution. Right out of the box, the interface feels modern and easy to pick up, especially if you're a beginner. Everything, modeling, rendering, simulation, CNC machining, flows together in a single platform, which makes it feel more seamless than FreeCAD. The catch is that while it's free for personal use, once you move into commercial work you'll need a paid subscription. Since it's cloud-powered, you'll also need a reliable internet connection, and you're tied to Autodesk's ecosystem. The upside is that it's backed by official support, loads of tutorials, and a huge global community. So which one should you pick? If you want total freedom, no costs, and don't mind putting in some effort to learn, FreeCAD is the way to go. If you prefer a smoother experience with professional-grade tools all in one package, Fusion 360 is probably a better fit. Honestly, the best move is to try both and see which one feels right for your workflow and long-term goals.